In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to use the min function in Microsoft Excel. So I still have my Excel spreadsheet open from the last lesson. Last lesson we figured out how to use the average function. In this one, we're going to talk about how to use the min. So in cell P8, we're going to type min and hit enter. In P9, then click the formula tab. So this time we want to go to the formula tab. Click the auto sum button arrow. So our auto sum button here. We're going to click min. And the range B9 to O9 is going to automatically appear for us. And if you notice, in our formula we have, in blue we have B9 to O9, and we also have our little ants marching border around our range. So click cell B9, hold down the shift key, and then click cell M9. So we're just creating a new selection, a new range, and then click enter, and the answer should be 150, which is the lowest expected electricity bill for the year. And we can do the same thing over here. We can just pull these down so we know what our mins are for the rest of our items.